everyone, it's Sherry. I hope that you are having a wonderful day. Y'all, let's have some simple, crafty fun. Stay tuned. Welcome to my channel. I am so glad that you decided to stop by, and welcome to all of my new friends and to all of my new subscribers. Welcome back to all of my longtime friends and longtime subscribers. Thank you all so much for the wonderful ways in which you support me and my channel. Today is Make a Card Monday, and we're going to make a simply sweet kimono card for Make a Card Monday. I'll hold it up and give you a look, but then I'm going to give you a closer look in just a minute. But y'all know what time it is. It's time to make it. Alright y'all, here's a closer look at today's awesome card. When finished, it measures 4 by 6 and it's a trifold kimono card. Very easy to make. You don't even need many supplies. You can actually make this for less than one sheet of 12 by 12, and then you can add your decorative elements. I'm going to open this so that you can get a quick look at the inside. So when it opens, I have this section over here where I've just added a decorative element to the card. Then on this side is where I have my pocket. And my pocket can hold gift cards, cash, a little note, and then we have a pocket here in which you can tuck something as well. And then I added this little decorative element here. But this is perfect for giving a gift card and cash and tucking in that little note so that the person will know what message you're trying to convey. Any season, any reason, anyone paper crafting, because I use Christmas paper, but you can use any paper that you want. So as you can see, we have a diagonal fold here and a diagonal fold here. When we close it, we have that nice little kimono look. So here's what we're going to need to make it. Remember, I said we don't need much. Alright, so I have some crinkle seam binding. I have some cut aparts, which will be part of the decorative elements of this card. Then I have a scrap piece that measures 4 by 6. Then I have a scrap piece that I'll be using as a mat. And then I have a piece of 6 by 12. This will make up the base for the card. Very, very simple. This is going to be one of those easy peasy crafts that you can make up in no time. So let's take our piece of 6 by 12 and we're going to score at 4 on the 12-inch side, and then we score at 8 1/8. And then we'll just fold and burnish like this. So what we're going to do now, very easy, we're going to take this piece and just fold it in until your fold is basically straight this way and straight this way. It won't be perfect, but we will get it pretty close. Then we're going to do the same thing on this side. We're going to take it and we bring it close to the middle. And what we're trying to do is have it straight this way and straight this way. Let's go ahead. And now your piece looks like this. I'm going to use my glue to hold this down, and y'all know that I use Reptile. Just another friendly reminder, it is getting colder and colder outside. If you have not placed your Reptile order, they do not ship when the temperature drops below 40. So if you use Reptile adhesive and you might be running low, now is the time to place that order. So add that glue there. Just go ahead and get that stuck. So now when we take this and we fold this way and we fold this way, this is what we have. If you want, you can add a separator point here to break up that color. I'm just going to leave it as is. But I do want to take one side of this and replace this piece because I don't want that showing. It's not going to show over here when I fold, but if I don't cover this, it will show over here. So I'm going to take that 6 by 4-inch piece of cardstock, and I'm just going to use my stylus to make a trace. Then I'll bring my trimmer back in, and I'm just going to trim so that I'm cutting inside the score. And you can use your scissors, your finger blade, whatever it is you want to use. You can use a ruler. I'm just doing it this way. So basically what I've done is I have cut out a piece to overlay here so that it just looks like the rest of it. So again, I'm going to take my glue, and y'all, I keep talking about ordering that glue because I can't tell you how many people contacted me last year to see if I had any glue options for them because they ran out during the winter time, and we definitely don't want that to happen. So please, if you use Reptile adhesive and you need it, go ahead and order it now. So I'm just going to take this and place it down like that. And all that did really was covered that side. That's an optional thing to do. And it also just made this a little bit firmer. So we have our piece like this. Now I'm going to take this piece and I'm going to add glue here and glue here to create that pocket. So let's go ahead and get that pocket stuck. So now I'll bring in this piece of scrap and this 3x4 cut apart, and I've decided that I want this to be the outside cover. So I'm going to take some tape and we're going to place that down like that. Bring my trimmer back in and go ahead and trim. And this piece is going to go on the front just like this. But before I actually put it down, I'm going to open this and just take my tape and run some tape across the middle here. Because now I'm just going to take my 2 pieces of crinkle seam binding and just place them in that tape. Like this. Now I can take this, and when I put it down, I'm going to put it down like this so that this part is over the top. So I'm going to take my tape runner. You can do this with glue as well. I just grabbed that tape runner because it was there. And now I can take this and we can place it down like that. Then I'm just going to take this and just tie it off like that and just let it hang. And I'll have a link for the crinkle seam binding in the description box. And now I'm going to take my scissors and we're just going to cut a little of that away. Everything that I'm doing right now is purely decorative and completely up to you whether or not you want to do this much to yours. So I am just going to take some glue and create a little pocket on this cut apart I have here. We're going to take this, put it right there. I can take a couple of cut aparts and put them here in the pocket. We can now take a couple of these and place them in the pocket. And so now I'm just going to take a sticker. I'm going to add this sticker right here. And then across the bottom, we're just going to add Merry Christmas. So then I'm going to take this little tag I'm going to punch me a hole. Take my little pen, put this in so that it will dangle like this. Then I'll take my paper piercer and I'm just going to punch a hole right there. And see, this has a to and a from on it. So now I'm just going to take this, put it in like that, and close it. And y'all, that's it. That's all I'm doing to mine. Now you can do a lot more to yours if you want. I think that I will add a little something to the back here. This one says, I love Christmas. Go ahead and put something on the back of this one. And I think I'll put Christmas wishes on the back of this one. So as you can see, it didn't take much in the way of supplies. Y'all, this was some very simple crafting. But look at what we're able to do with just a few pieces of decorative paper and a few embellishments. It does not take much. You don't have to go to the store and spend $5 for a card. Go through your scrap pile, pull out your larger pieces of scrap, and make a project like this. Cards are very expensive in the store. We are paper crafters. We have everything we need in our stash to be able to make our own special cards for the people that we want to give them to. This is a special card. It will not only hold a message, but if I want to give a gift card or cash, this is also a very beautiful way to do it. So guys, I hope that you have enjoyed this super simple way to take minimal, and I do mean minimal supplies, and create something beautiful and useful. That's what we do on this channel. We create. So if you have liked this video, and I certainly hope that you have, please hit the like button. If you're not a subscriber to my channel, I'd love to have you join this amazing online crafting family. You guys, as always, please be safe, be kind, be the reason someone smiles today. Happy crafting, and we'll chat later. Bye.